Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to edit video from portrait video to the landscape video. I think a lot of people are teaching you how to make landscape video to a portrait, but today I will teach you how to convert from the portrait, or we can say vertical video, to horizontal video. So as you can see here, I have one video on my desktop that when we are going to play on it, you will see that something like the text, like everything is appearing in the portrait mode like this. So to fix that, you're gonna do is the first thing that we gonna do is you need to create a new project here on the file setting and click on project setting, and you make sure that you have choose all this size here, 1920 and 1080 aspect radius 16.9, and you can also use this size because if you want a smaller size. Okay, you're gonna choose that, and the frame rate it should be to 30 frames per second. So now we're gonna click on OK. After you have been already click OK, you're gonna add the file source and make sure that you have set up the project first before you add the source of video. So now go ahead and click on the source here, and then double click on that and then drag it to the timeline here, and you make sure that keep the project setting. They will asking you like this, so you need to keep the project setting because if you want to convert it to the horizontal video, so you need to keep all the project setting. And now the thing that we're gonna do next is now I'm gonna cut some part of the video because it takes too much long here, because it is a video tutorial, so you don't need to take too much long to show you to don't make it too long. Now we're gonna use it 12 seconds here. Okay, after that you're gonna click on right click on the video tracks, not an audio track. So make sure that you have there are two ways that you can choose. One is a video track and the other is audio track. So make sure that you choose the video track. So right click on that and then select on crop and zoom here, or you can even use Alt plus C by using your shortcut. So click on that, and here we can this place you can see the radius here. So make sure that you have select it to the custom here to make it easy to crop all of this size. So after you have been already select this, make sure that you have choosing it in the like this. Make sure that what is the place that you really want to use that. So okay, after you have been already setting up like that, I'm gonna click OK, and you will see something that is not yet completely to the full screen. So you can edit it again, but now I'm gonna play it first before I edit it for you to see what is happening now. Okay, now I'm gonna play it again. Okay, now the file is localized, not very full yet. So as you go to that place again, crop and zoom again, and you will see that something that is too much more down. Drag it to much more inside like this, and then click OK. And here is, you can also drag it like this also, and to make it fit your screen, and you can even drag up or down. And now I'm gonna play it again. So here is the way that you can edit from the portrait video to the landscape mode. So this is the way on, this is the method that the only one way that you can make you to make them to the horizontal videos. As you can see here, it's now in the portrait mode, and now we're gonna export the video here. So I choose the destination folder to the desktop, and the file size is 12xt and 720 pixels. The frame rate is 30 seconds per frame, and the size is X megabytes, and the second is 14 seconds. And now I'm going to click on export here and wait for a while to see the result after we have rendered it to the landscape. So after we have been already rendered it, I'm gonna minimize it first and check out our file here, and double click on that to see what is happening now. So as you can see here, the video is now in the landscape mode. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. I hope you guys understand about it, and this is the method that only can help you in the Filmora, but the other software you will make the different way of that converting. So thank you for watching. Okay, but I have one something more to tell you before I say goodbye, because if you want something that look like they are very short of the character inside the video, so you can re-edit it by doing the same way. And okay, re-edit by the same way and pressing like this, and you can gonna choose the part of the video by dragging like this. For example, I'm gonna drag it to the left or to the right or to anything in the middle or anything. So if you keep that original, it will not properly show very well, because you will see something like this and it will not properly working well. So this method is gonna show you how to fix it again. And now you can see here the original file size is look like this place, but you can drag it on the top point here. It is the point that you can drag it to the other side of the video here. So it is the same way of cropping. So I think you guys understand about it. After you have been already zoom out, zoom in, you will see something look like this. It is the same of way that we have did it before. So this is the way here. Okay, now I think you understand about it, and thank you for watching my video.